Kia ora whanau. Hey, it's Hamoa here. I'm half Samoan, half Maori. Yeah, my mum comes from Tūwharetoa in Ngati Peru, and my dad is Samoan from Otara. But I just want to give a massive shout out to all my whānau up there in Tauranga. Make sure you go and check out this awesome show, 17th of July, this Wednesday. My cousin Tofiga got the show. Oh, you funny as, bro, funny as hell. And you don't want to miss it because you're going to have heaps of crack-ups, man. Yeah, you're going to be like pissy, man, yourself. Yeah. But you can get your tickets online. You can get it if you got a credit card, not just use somebody else's, or just memorize their numbers and stuff. Anyway, go check it out. He's got his good friend TJ Tautua going to be up there too. Oh, that fella, he's awesome on the guitar, bro. Mean vocals too, babe. So make sure you go check out the show on ticket. Check your tickets now because it's going to be off the hook. Yeah. Ka kite.